So today we went back up to 4A. Sorry, this is where I took the trade yesterday down. Got out at 2B. And as I expected, they did manipulate just below this low here. And they didn't quite make it to 3A. And then back up to 4A again on quite low volume there. So I'm not thinking this is a top yet. It looks like a topping formation, but to me the volume isn't high enough. It isn't extreme enough for it to be a reversal, a true reversal. I know there's we had a huge trend down today, all the way to, I was looking to buy at 3A, which, as you can see, there's huge volume coming in at 3A, and then it went through to the 50, so that's halfway of the psychological for the week. And I see this happen quite a bit when there's going to be a true reversal, because if you look at the daily, this has been going up for a long time, just a straight trend up. And if you see here that there's a high here, which it's almost reached. So what I'm thinking is, and what I see a lot is, they'll do what appears to be a topping formation, and then they'll come all the way back down to the 100 or the 50, sometimes even to the 0 to try and they'll hit 3A on the other side, and then they'll go all the way back up to the top to do a huge stop run. And I'm expecting, I've got my take profit at 3B at the moment. I took a trade here, and I'm uncertain. I'm not sure that it'll make it all the way there yet, because when I see something like this, very extreme volume at 3A, which I expected, and then it goes through, comes back to test 3A, and then goes through again, I'm just going to have to see how this plays out. But this does say to me, if this does go to the high again, this will be the maybe at 5A or something. This will be a true reversal, because the high on the daily, just draw a horizontal, is just, where is it? Yeah, just in the middle of 5A and 3B, so I'd expect it to just push through to 5A maybe. And time will tell. But I also just wanted to share with you something I noticed today, which was kind of enlightening to me. I saw this channel. This is an obvious accumulation channel down, and then this, what looked like a false breakout, and then almost like a false retest, and then you saw supply come in on this bar here, and then you had a kind of another test at that high, and I was actually trying to buy here, and I was in profit for a little bit, but got stopped out. And I noticed that this is a real great signal here, where you've got a little bit of accumulation, then I know this is the 1 minute, but this is how obsessed they are with this accumulation manipulation cycle. And you see here on this bar here, this is, I could see the spread just widened so much, and that was when the news hit, and that was the start of the trend there. And I just wanted to share that this channel, you can see that it kind of kept on coming back and forth within this channel, and each time it went down, it did this little accumulation, manipulation, and then profit release. This is where it came down to 3A on extremely high volume. But I just wanted to show, like, each time that happened, each time that a leg happened, there was the same accumulation, and kind of, you know, try to make traders sell in, and then they did the manipulation to the high on high volume, supply coming in, and it just plummeted. And here's another one, same thing, high volume, accumulation, manipulation, same thing again, accumulation, manipulation. And I'm just going to stay in this trade. I'm just going to actually try and leave it overnight. And we'll see what happens tomorrow.